Hello everyone. In last lecture, I taught standard deviation for individual type of data. Now we will see standard deviation for discrete type of data with variance and coefficient of variance also. So we have three categories for formulae for individual, discrete and continuous. For individual, direct and shortcut method. For discrete, again direct and shortcut method. And we have these two formulae. So now we will see calculation for discrete type of data. And I am copying these formulae. First is direct method and second is shortcut method. And this is, we have discrete type of data. Okay, so we have this question for 6 products of different prices with their quantities. Find standard deviation, variance, and their coefficient. So this is X, this is price, and this F is quantity. And first you need to apply direct method. In direct method, we have this formula. Summation F x minus x bar square divided by summation F then and under. So always first task is x bar. So for x bar, what we will do, we will find x bar using formula for discrete data, summation fx divided by summation f. And you will see this summation fx column. So to find this x bar, you need fx. So you will create fx column, summation fx. So f into x, this is 85. This f into x, 13 into 9, this is 117, and total is 439. So this total is 439, and this quantity divided by 44. So this is how much? This is 439 divided by 44. So this is 9.97 x bar. And in this formula, you need first, you will prepare column for x minus x bar, this one. Second column for their squares, this one. And then this multiplied by f, this means this column multiplied with this f. So you will get this column, f into x minus x bar. Then you need summation of this square. Okay, so x bar is 9.97. First value of x is 17. So 17 minus x bar equals to 7.03. In same way, 13 minus 9.97 equals to what? This 3.03. Then we will find their squares. These are square value. The square of this 7.03 is 49.42. And then we will multiply this column with frequency, just like this 5f into this 49.42. So you will get 24.10. In that way, you can find all these values. And then we will find summation. As in formula, you need summation of this. So now we will put these values in this formula. So you will see this as under root. This is under root, and this summation is 524.98, and this quantity divided by 40. So you will see the standard deviation, which is 3.4. And then we can find the same thing using shortcut method also. And shortcut method formula is this. So for shortcut method, you need first D, and for D you need what? A. So I am copying this formula here because there is no space. So we have this same data, discrete data, and formula for shortcut method is this. And first you need what? A. So A is always from X column. So again, same methodology, highest value plus lowest value divided by near about value. So 17 is highest, 6 is lowest, total is 23, divided by 2, this is 11.5, so near about 11.5, 11, clear? So 11 is considered as A. So now we will find D. D equals to what? X minus A. X is what? 17. A is what? 11. So 17 minus 11 is 6. 13 minus 11 is what? 2. 6 minus 11 is equal to minus 1. So in that way, we have this D column, and your requirement is what? Your requirement is only D square column, then F into D column, then F into D square column. So we will create FD column first. This means product of this D and this F. So this is FD column. This 5 into 6 is 30. And then you need F into D square column. So for F into D square column, simply you will take this FD into D. Then you will get this FD into D's FD square column. So summation of this is summation FD square. Summation of this is summation FD. Now you will put all these values in this formula. So you will see this first summation FD square is 571. This is 571. And this quantity divided by summation F, which is 44. So this quantity divided by 44 minus summation FD is 45, and this quantity divided by 44, and then we will take its square. Then finally we will take its under root. So you will see this as 3.45 again. So just like this last answer means using previous method, direct method, this is 3.45 and this is again 3.45. So you can use any method, either direct method or shortcut method, you will get same answer. Now we will discuss about variance and their coefficient. So what is variance? Variance is square of standard deviation. Variance is sigma square. So simply we will take a square of this 3.45 square. So 3.45 square is what? 11.90. This is variance. Now coefficient of SD. Coefficient of standard deviation. This is sigma upon x bar. I taught in my first lecture of SD. So this sigma equals to 3.45 and we have x bar equals to 9.97. So this quantity divided by 9.97, then you will get 3.45 divided by 9.97. So this is 0.34. This is 3460. And now we will write coefficient of variance. Coefficient of variance is what? This coefficient of SD, sigma upon x bar, and this quantity multiplied by 100%, then you will get this as 0.3460 multiplied by 100%. So you will see this quantity as 34.6%. So this is considered as coefficient of variance. So in all the cases, all the situation for variance and coefficient of SD, coefficient of variance, we will do the same task, same formula. Main thing is standard deviation. So I hope you like this lecture. So please subscribe my channel and share with others and give like and comment on my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.